We're just the two of us here, right? Now tell me what's your intention?
It's nothing like that. I do things for fun.
What do you feel now?
I just want to do a murder now. Anyone whom I can get as per my convenience. Firstly, my business is murdering. I have been running a butcher shop since some time. It's not like animals. Killing humans is easy. We have to plan a little, since there are laws in place, right? Do you know why I felt like doing it here? I've got a tempting golden chance in front of me. After you leave, I was about to murder her and leave. The cops will catch you only. Do you know why? Because I'm not here as per the records. There is no proof of my presence here. The cops which are outside, they also feel that there are only you two inside this house. So aren't you the one who is responsible for the murder happening here? You want to hit me? But kill me with just one blow. I'm also like that. However, that won't work. Life won't escape so easily. Even if you use the gelatin skill, life will remain for some time. Life is a very big deal. It is a very big deal. To see someone die little by little, I have experience of that. I am going to experience that again. Once you leave. I'm just thinking about which weapon to use and how.
Come!
Oh my! Sanjay! Stop it! Sanjay, what are you doing? Move! Move away from him! Sanjay, what are you doing? Joe? Joe?
Okay.
Please get up.
I'm okay.
Get up.
I'm okay. Don't worry. Okay. You ruined this also. Asha,
Yes.
do you have a hammer? Get 2 nails too. Go. Go get it.
Asha, don't give it to him.
You broke this chair and now go on, dear. Go get it.
Listen, he's not like you are thinking. He will kill you.
What nonsense he's speaking about. You leave.
Asha, you escape fast, please. Listen to me.
Get lost! You're acting like a madman. Shucks. I pity you.
This is the proof of my presence. I will throw this away. Now there is no issue. Everything is okay. Now everything which happens here will be done by you. Because I am not here.
You?
What? You still don't get me, is it? That is your issue. I have killed a lot of wild animals. Killing a human is very simple for me. Don't act too smart. How can I hand you this girl over when you cannot even control your own emotions? Huh? You beat me a lot. Here. The pain is transferring slowly to my heart from over my body. This is a bad symptom. That is a symptom of loss of sympathy. When we go for hunting in the jungles of Africa, we sit in a tent. which is made up of many temporary things. We keep waiting by pointing a gun through a small gap in the tent, which leads nowhere. Do you know that? There will be water filled in a tank far away. When we are holding aim like this, it will touch the barrel of the gun. When we check, it's another antelope. It comes walking down from the other side of the tent and licks the barrel. There are two versions of it. First is that it's licking the salt from the gunpowder. And second, it is the request of the animal to not shoot the other animal as is their partner. We feel sorrow for a split second. Then it's over. We shoot that very moment. What I showed to you was the sympathy which we show to that antelope. Now it won't be there. It is over. Now you're just a moving target for me. Now if I take an aim at you, and if you create such an opportunity, then you will be finished. You got it?
Joe?
Huh? Did you get the hammer, dear?
Yes.
Huh?
Hey, don't give it. Hey,
Leave it. Leave it.
he's a criminal. He will kill you, Asha.
Give it to me. Dear, is he mad? What about the coffee?
I was making coffee.
Go get it. Thank you. He's a psycho. You escaped by a whisker. Go get the coffee. Go on.